the hardware development kit with microcontrollers is sensors and modules breakout boards. So now we have got the microcontrollers in the form of development boards and also programmers and debuggers so as to program them. And with microcontrollers we connect some external sensors or modules so as to communicate with the outside world. For example, to measure the current with the microcontrollers we need some current sensor ICs like INA219, INA169 or HLW8012 that has to be connected with microcontrollers. Another example is for driving OLED screens with microcontrollers, we need to connect some OLED screen driver ICs like SSD1306 that has to be connected with microcontrollers. In one more example, for measuring the oxygen levels with the microcontrollers or via the embedded products, we need some oxygen level sensor IC. For example, MAX3010. So we need to connect this with the microcontroller. Same way if we want to connect some wireless things like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so we need to connect some RF 2.4 GHz transceiver ICs with the microcontrollers. So you will see that to connect the microcontrollers with external world, we need some sensor or modules ICs. And just like the microcontrollers need extra circuit around them, these sensor and module ICs also need an extra circuit around them. And that circuit and sensor and module ICs together form a hardware board for using the sensors and modules, and that is termed as breakout boards. So with the microcontrollers, we need multiple or number of breakout boards so as to connect multiple sensors, modules or RF or wireless modules with them. So whichever sensor and module we want to interface with microcontrollers, first of all we look out for its breakout board so as to do the development activities and learning activities with the microcontrollers. And that wraps up this video in our microcontroller technology series. If you're ready to take your microcontroller skills to the next level, don't forget to save this playlist of what is microcontroller technology, as in this playlist over time you will find number of videos which will help you learn about these chips in chronological and interactive way by covering modern day industry level concepts, tools and technologies so as to become a skilled engineer and not just a graduated one. For viewers who wanted to expand their knowledge by hands-on practical learning, check out our Introduction to Microcontroller Technology course 101 built around the industrial grade NXP S32K144 microcontroller. This course dives deep into peripheral of modern day microcontrollers, teaching you real world tools and techniques and no more just theory. Head over to edu.gettobyte.com to learn more and get started. Let's keep learning, innovating and building together because a skilled engineer standouts, not just a graduated one. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and series videos. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out our next videos and explore the next video so as to continue your learning in a chronological way from here and explore the full series playlist linked right here. Got any questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.